Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing Zorin for Android support. Make sure you're on Zorin 16.2 or newer and enable Flatpak. Next, install Flatpak and GNOME software so you can install the Android runtime. Also install kernel headers for any module builds. Once done, add the Flathub remote and reboot so the system recognizes new runtimes and modules. This first step ensures the environment is ready and prevents dependency errors later when you install the Android subsystem. Next, install the Android layer, choose Waydroid for best modern support, install it from Flathub. After installation, initialize the container. Run the setup command which downloads the Android system image and configures namespaces. Start the Waydroid service and check logs for proper initialization. Make sure to bind mount/dev/binder and /dev/ashmum if the script did not auto-configure them, and enable hardware acceleration if your GPU supports it, so apps run smoothly. Finally, launch apps. Either sideload APKs with a DB install or use the built-in app manager. Test a lightweight app first to confirm functionality. If you see rendering glitches, try switching compositor modes or tweak scaling and GPU acceleration flags. These changes often fix input or window issues. If an app crashes, inspect journoctl and Waydroid logcat for errors, restart the Android service, and reboot the host if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: always check binder and ashmum mounts first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.